For sure. I'm recording you now. I'm recording Terry now. I'm recording you again. There's a truck.
Put some respect on it. On it. On it. On it. On it. On it. On it.
YouTube. Here we go. First good group ride of the year. Got a bunch of people coming out. New guy I met off Reddit a couple weeks back also has an FZ. My exhaust convinced him he needed an exhaust. Been helping him a whole bunch. Also meeting up with Ducati Kid 848. Got a couple other guys coming. Some Ducatis, maybe my buddy on his R1. Not sure yet. Got to get up with him. But first, we're heading over to Wayne's cycle shop in Waynesboro just to hook up with them, check them out, and I'll see you there. Key is in mine, I believe. Yep. If anybody's wondering why I'm on this nice shiny red one, it's because Terry up there just ordered his exhaust. And he really, ooh, I like my tail light actually. He really wants to see what it's like to have that underneath of him. So we switched bikes for a little bit. I think he likes it. Sorry, visor down now that you can probably hear me better. Once his exhaust comes in, he's ordering the Dobek fuel controller. Maybe the flash tune setup, I'm not sure. I've got the Dobek for right now. And I don't mind it. It's not bad. But I kind of want to switch to the flash tune. Just there's a little bit more you can do with the flash tune. You can definitely you know, like disable engine braking with the flash tune. You can control your fan temperatures with the flash tune, things like that. So I mean, you can adjust timing, things like that, custom maps, I believe, instead of just being a fuel only controller, which is what the Dobek is. We traded bikes.
Wait. That's Bruce's bike.
Are you on, Spencer? I gotta get all my stuff on. Don't leave me. Oh. Alright, so we've got a bunch of bikes with us. This is gonna be friggin' awesome. I want to ride the DRZ. Got Brody. I know, right? I guess we got to catch up with the other guys though. Oh, there they are. Okay, good. Here, Brody is the only guy with a sport bike that's stretched. Because Brody's about that life. I'm recording again. So we're going to talk about the Parkway a little bit. I believe the Parkway actually goes from the top of Afton Mountain about 200 miles or more, maybe 250 miles south, all the way down, like across. I mean, just look at the views. It is gorgeous out here. And the Parkway is free. That's what I like the most about the Parkway. Skyline Drive is awesome and all, but you do have to pay to get on it, which isn't a big deal. Again, views. But it's like a 35-mile-an-hour speed limit. At least with the Blue Ridge Parkway, there's a 45-mile-an-hour speed limit. And there's some nice little cutbacks through here too. You know, when I was actually in my classes for cardiac technician, what's now called EMT intermediate, pretty much I took this way to class because class was actually at a ski resort at the rescue squad there. And I took advantage of it, man. I took this way and then cut a side road down to the to Wintergreen, and it was worth it. It was completely worth it. You know, coming back at night, I usually went, you know, I cut across and went down to a more major road and everything. But I'm telling you, on Saturday classes and going to classes before and everything, always took this way every single time. And it's just going to get prettier and prettier. And it should stay nice and warm. We were talking about it earlier when we all met up, that we should stay mostly on the west side of the mountain, so we should be in the sun the entire time. I feel sorry for the guy on the CBR. His tires are a little old and he doesn't really want to necessarily risk it. So I told him I'd definitely take the back of the pack and just chill. I'm actually going to be moving over to this area in the valley, basically is what it's called. Waynesboro area, Augusta County area. Yep, everybody's pulling on off. Lining up for a group shot, I guess. Sorry, it's a little loud. Yeah.
Trust and that lean.
Yep, that's all it is, dude. That's all it is. You'll get used to it, man.
This is the first time I've come up here.
Yeah.
Do
you live in Seville?
Excuse me?
Do you live in Seville?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. I live right.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Right downtown. So
okay. Yeah. Fernando, right?
yeah.
Okay. Cool. Bruce. Yeah. Yep.